Kisi University omate ngakine 2 years ago nera bana bachoreta bange countrywide. Even last year. Nera kwa pick kwa selected na wanafunzi bange. Number 1, our programs. Chire chinyinge and chire quality nge. Our law school students are bagotanga na Kenya ngima. Na babo Strathmore. It's on record. They do very well. School of medicine to achagete Kisi we are ranked very highly. Tobata wanafunzi abaya na facility chinyinge.
Mba graduate.
Graduate. Group Tangani, graduate. And we have many other programs. That's why Konya to get 100,000 to ahead of many other universities. Pake kama jikoranta inki. Lakini if you go there today, under the leadership of my boss, Professor Nathan Nyogech, who is a linguistic, a very decent, organized man. The university is fully transformed. When you go there, even at the offices, the gate, wonderful. Secondly, there's a lot of cooperation with our leaders. You can't hear anybody dissatisfied with what's going on. He has an open approach policy. When a the problem, the office is open. Workers, the office is open. The community around. So this one, entered a lot of harmony and unity amongst all stakeholders, I can say. Yes.
You as a director, and Kirumu Botany University Bunayega. Kirokurigeria nebwate kwa confirm ya mwenyenga nepwata boroki wabange sana. Lakini ngorigererio kwa ranga mazingira andake unapono chipara chigoswase university eri ngororenga the surrounding tirababu yaigo na agati mari ngororenga school eri andake nebwate kirbo. Do you feel like nga kubwatira na nkuganire gati yabo bwatani ime yagusigo kine university ya Kisi egendare kubwabunere?
I get it. Number 1, Matilda, kare president yare gocha ndiri yabete pisi yake asare gocha amo Kisi University. Again, that gocha gokora is exactly what you have asked. Number 1, hostel. Like there's a contractor on site. Hostel na center for students. Egoteka pa bana 10,000. Hostel chinene the student center. Maybe tea what the bakege tea. The president was surrounding that project, but it's ongoing. The foundation, the contractor is already on site. It will be transformed. Chipara kito intora rosibuya, but we have a plan. We have a plan. Paranera area Yamukuru Kisi School, I beg a go charge. Nobody more maybe but I think the management, the University Council, go Nanda our surrounding neighbors. When you carry girls and Kisi School, why one so that we have more land for more development. I agree with you, Avana Babichire, na Asaya Bichire, and no matter Caravana Babichire, even a community in Kogiroere, and they're also benefiting. So I've been taking at beyond CP, in Bide and a course.